Hey guys, I'm Allie with NGM Modeling. Today we're talking about comp cards. All right, so we're talking comp cards today. So what is a comp card is your first question probably. So a comp card is kind of like a resume for a model or sometimes an actor as well. When you're sending in to a casting director, you would send in your comp card. They want to see why do you need it? Because casting directors want to see your versatility, what can you do, what facial expressions can you make, poses, things like that. They want to be able to see that. They also want to be able to see the information that you put on there as well, which we're going to talk about next. So you need, first of all, you need anywhere from 4 to 6 pictures. You don't want less than 4. Like I mentioned, again, you want to really show your versatility on your comp cards. So you want a minimum of 4. Anywhere up to maybe about 6. You put too many on there and then it's just too much to look at. So not too many pictures on there for you. And then, okay, so what goes on the comp card? Male and female is a little bit different. All right, so let's talk about the female card first. So this one has, as you can see, has 4 pictures on it. On the front, you got a half body. You can even do a full body. And depending on what you're submitting for, you may even want to do just a headshot on the front. On the back, you want to show several different poses. On here you see we've got 2 vertical and a horizontal. So a lot of differences there, making sure that you're filling in all the space on the back. There aren't any weird like blank spaces on the back. And then on the bottom, you're gonna have all of that personal information, which we'll talk about in just a moment. And the same thing as you can see on this male comp card as well. On this one, he chose a full body outdoor for the front, and then on the back you can see you've got some headshot options and different poses as well. So what goes on the back of the card, the information down at the bottom, of course, you want to have your first and last name, you want to have your phone number, and you also want to include social media on there as well so they can see a little bit about you, because let's face it, all casting directors are going to go check you out anyways if they're really interested in you. So make sure you put that on there. IG, Instagram is usually the best one to use, so make sure you include that. Email address, and as I mentioned as well, phone number. You'd be surprised how many people leave off how to contact you information. All right, so for the ladies card, you want to include your height, your weight, your eye color, shoe size, bust size, waist size, hips, and your hair color. Yes, some of these things are obvious if you just look at the picture on the front, but you're just trying to make it quick and easy for casting directors. They have lots of comp cards to look at, lots of work to do. They don't have time to sit around and try to figure out what your hair color and eye color are. Men, lots of similar things, couple of different things here. You want to have your height on there. You want to have your weight, eye color, shoe size. Then gentlemen, you want to tell your jacket size, your inseam, your waist, and of course your hair color as well. So it is important though. The biggest key I think about comp cards is you don't want to show up with something that you just printed off at home, or a bunch of pictures that your friends took, or selfies. It must be professional. So you have to have professional pictures. You want to have it printed on professional paper, and you want this designed by someone who is a professional. So that is the key here, is make sure that it is professional. You're gonna stand out and they're gonna know that you're serious about your work. Thanks a lot for watching today. If you've made it this far, then that means you like the video. So make sure you guys like it below, comment, and make sure you guys subscribe as well. If you want to reach out to us on social media, I am Allie_Marmion on Instagram, or you can follow our NGM at North Georgia Media on Instagram as well. We'll see you next time.